Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be comparing two of the top student loan providers. In this video, we're going to be breaking down College Ave versus SoFi, which is the best company for you to go with for your private student loans when you're looking at different student loan options, whether that be for refinancing or even just getting a brand new student loan for your upcoming college semester. Again, that's what we're going to be breaking down here in today's video, SoFi and College Ave, which is the better student loan company. Now, if you do want to check out either of these companies, again, you can check out those links linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the comparison of, again, College Ave versus SoFi. Now, first and foremost, I do want to, of course, break down that these are two of our top lenders here on the channel. If you'd like to get access to this page here, where you can compare and rank the best student loan companies, you can go check out that first link down below in the video description. That's brandonvalesky.com/best student loans. It'll take you right over this page here where we rank and list and update the best and top student loan providers. No matter what time you're watching this video, this page will be up to date. Now, College Ave and SoFi actually do rank at the top two companies in our list, and College Ave actually edging them out and being at our #1 spot. So we're going to go ahead and start with College Ave in this video here today. Now, they are also #1 on Forbes, CNBC, Money, CNN, and Fund.com as well. Now, College Ave does offer the lowest rates starting at 3.19 APR, and they can cover up to 100% of your school costs. These are your school certified expenses. Now, you can find that on your college's website. And you can cover up to 100% of those costs. Now, they also offer flexible options for repayment, and they have no application, origination, or prepayment fees, and checking your rates won't affect your credit score, which is a really nice benefit of College Ave's student loan application process. Taking a look here at College Ave's website, they do offer a whole host of different student loan and student and college resources for getting student loans and going through the application process. If we take a look here and see how to apply it, the link down below in the video description, it will take you right over to this page here where you can do and go through the easy online application process of College Ave, where you can select whether you're a student borrower or a co-signer and go through the easy online application process. Now, in terms of the types of student loans that College Ave offers, they offer a wide variety of different types of student loans. Now, they offer undergraduate, parent, and career loans for their private student loans, as well as graduate loans in dental, MBA, health professions, law, and medical. In addition to student loans, they do also offer student loan refinancing, just in case if you would like to maybe refinance your student loans in the future, maybe if interest rates do change or fluctuate. And again, that does depend on when you're watching this video. Again, interest rates are always subject to change no matter when you're watching this video. So be sure to check out the links in the video description to get the most realistic and up-to-date interest rates. And it also does depend on your application process as well as your credit score and a variety of other factors, of course. So, interest rates that you see today may be different in the future. And if you ever do want to maybe refinance your student loan, get a better interest rate, you can always do that directly here with College Ave as well, which is kind of a nice thing that they do also offer that for their student loans. Now, in terms of the student loans, again, it's a pretty easy application process, and you can cover up to 100% of your school costs. Now, in terms of College Ave and other things to consider with them as well, they do also offer a scholarship monthly sweepstakes. So depending on when you're watching this video, you could also enter that sweepstakes today and go through and when you're going through the application process. Now, in terms of their undergraduate student loans, again, we touched on the fixed rates and variable rates. Again, it will cover up to 100% of your cost of attendance, and you can choose repayment options that fit your monthly budget with College Ave. Now, in terms of the repayment options, breaking that down here with College Ave, they offer a variety of different payment terms. So you can pay during school, which includes full principal and interest payments, interest-only payments, or a flat payment. They also offer no in-school payments with deferred payments if that's something you're interested in, and you can select from a variety of different repayment terms, whether that be 5, 8, 10, or 15-year payments in terms of the overall length of your repayment terms. They also have fixed and variable rates, where fixed stays the same for the entire repayment period, whereas variable rates do fluctuate depending on the interest rates, and the market index, does fluctuate with the market, and it can change change during the life of the loan. And co-signing is pretty easy with College Ave. That's something else to keep in mind, is that 97% of all undergraduate loans are co-signed, and 67% of borrowers choose an in-school repayment option in terms of going through the online application process with College Ave. Again, they have probably the easiest online application process, honestly, compared to all different lenders. You can easily pick up right where you left off with the student borrower or as a co-signer yourself. So College Ave does make it really easy. A lot of people do also say that online. And one other thing to keep in mind with College Ave as well, compared to a lot of other lenders, is they are also a soft credit pull, which means no effect to your credit score. Again, that is, checking your rates won't affect your credit score. That's super important when you're looking around, shopping around for the best interest rates for your student loan. It is something nice that College Ave does also offer as part of their application process. Again, it's very easy and quick, and the website is pretty easy to navigate as well. A lot of other people do also find that as one of the nice benefits and perks to using a company and going through a company like College Ave for your student loans. Now, taking a look here and comparing to SoFi, jumping into SoFi here. Now, SoFi has no fees required. You can also cover the full attendance cost, and you have fixed rates from 3.23% up to 15.99% APR with auto pay. You also have variable rates from 4.39 up to 16.85% with auto pay. And you can save on interest rate discounts with auto pay at 0.25%, and continuing school borrowers with 0.125%, and co-signers taking a second student loan at 0.25%. So you can get some nice little rate discounts there with SoFi, again, depending on when you're watching this video. Now, they offer eligible student loans to those who are eligible in the US, Puerto Rico, and the US Virgin Islands. Residents are eligible for student loans. You can get a quote online in minutes. Now, with SoFi, they do also offer both private student loans as well as student loan refinancing. So if at any case in the future, maybe if you want to, refinance your student loans, you can also do that directly through SoFi as well. Now, in terms of the types of student loans that SoFi does offer, they offer undergraduate, graduate, law, MBA, health professions, and parent loans with SoFi. And depending on when you watch this video as well, you might be able to get that good grades cash bonus, which can be a nice little extra savings. And depending on when you're watching this video, they do also have a rate discount eligible as long as you complete your application process by a certain date. Again, this does change, and depending on when you're watching this video, this rate and option may or may not be available. But one thing that's nice about SoFi, when you go through their online application process, same as College Ave, if you click see how to apply, you go through their online application process, is that this process you can do again without checking. You won't affect your credit score, so you can check and view your rate again without affecting your credit score. So effectively, this is a soft credit pull with no effect to your credit score with SoFi as well. So that's one nice thing that both College Ave and SoFi do both offer when you're going through their online application process, which, speaking of here, this is the page you'll be greeted with when you go through the links in the video description and click see how to apply. With SoFi, is that you can get a competitive rate with no fees. All you have to do is enter in your first name, last name, email, state, and whether you're the student or the parent or co-signer, and you can go through here and apply your way. Again, all online or with a SoFi customer service by chat or phone call. They also offer those flexible repayment options, again, including no student loan payments for 6 months after graduation, so you can focus on other expenses as well, and you can cover up to 100% of school certified costs. Now, with SoFi, something else to keep in mind in terms of what they offer is that you can use the loans for living expenses, books, food, and more. There's no limit to your school as long as your school certifies the cost. Essentially the same thing with College Ave as well. And the student loans are applicable to bachelor's degrees or higher, and they cover graduate certificate programs as well. And they have loans for students entering in the fall, spring, and summer terms. And no matter when you're watching this video, whatever that upcoming term may be for you. And as well with SoFi, they have an easy online application process, is you can pre-qualify in just minutes, and you can easily add in a cosigner to improve your chances of getting approved for a low interest rate student loan. They also offer no origination or loan late fees. They have that good grades bonus. You can repay your way, as well as the different rate discounts you may be eligible for. In terms of the loan terms, they offer 5, 7, 10, and 15-year loan terms with both fixed and variable interest rates, again, depending on what you're interested in. And you can do monthly payments while in school, whether that be, nothing in school, small amounts of payments, or you can go up to interest only or full while you're in school. So that's something else to consider here. With SoFi, again, all you have to do is check out the links in the video description. You can quickly see how to apply and view your rate today with SoFi as well. Now, College Ave and SoFi, again, are two of our top student loan lenders. Ultimately, at the end of the day, it depends on your personal application and what kind of interest rates that each of the companies are able to offer to you. At the end of the day, shopping around is a great way to get better interest rate on your student loans. That's going to save you a lot of money in the long run. So it really is advantageous for you, especially given the fact that both College Ave and SoFi give you soft credit pulls. So there's no effect to your credit score to see how to apply and to see what you qualify for with both lenders, because ultimately the better interest rate is going to save you a lot of money in the long term, not just for you if you're the student, but also maybe for your child if you're the parent or co-signer looking at securing the education funding and securing those student loans for your child as well. So that's something to keep in mind, whether you're the co-signer or the actual student. It really does pay dividends to shop around. And College Ave and SoFi are two of the best companies. Again, if you'd like to get access to this page here, where we rank and put together the best student loans where you can compare and shop around, you're going to check out that first link down below in the video description. Again, that's brandonvalesky.com/best-student-loans. Again, it's that first link down below in the video description. If you guys found this video helpful, again, comparing College Ave versus SoFi versus College Ave, you can go ahead and check out and smash that like button in the video description. Again, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.